A is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for butterfly, flying in the heat. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who loves to play. A, B, C, D, let's start the rhyme. Learning letters one at a time. A, B, C, D, it's fun to see how easy learning letters can be. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, hopping all day long. G is for giraffe, reaching high. H is for hippo, also wide. E, F, G, H, letters so great. Let's keep going, it's never too late. E, F, G, H, let's shout hooray for all the letters we're learning today. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jelly, a tasty treat. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion with the mighty cry. I, J, K, L, letters we know. Learning is fun, watch how we grow. I, J, K, L, what a delight. We're getting smarter day and night. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for nest, with little birdies. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for penguin waddling with glee. M, N, O, P, letters to cheer. Each one brings us joy and cheer. M, N, O, P, we're learning fast, enjoying each letter, making it last. Q is for quail, quick on the ground. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow but right. Q, R, S, T, we're almost there. Letters to learn everywhere. Q, R, S, T, we're having fun with every letter one by one. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for violin, a lovely refrain. W is for whale, big and grand. X is for xylophone, a musical band. U, V, W, X, we're near. Subscribe now.